Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at corrections to introduction to probability uh, of our quiz. So we're going to start with the first one, and the first one is, okay, which probability scale describe this statement? A pregnant woman will have a baby boy. A pregnant woman will have a baby boy. So when a woman is pregnant, so we all know that it's either going to be a girl or a boy. So the chance of a boy getting a boy is half, or is 50-50% chance that it will be a boy and it will be a what, a girl, because we have two items there, boy and a girl. So we have half of it will be 50. So that means that is even. That's going to be what, even. How that is clear? So for number 2, which probability scale described this statement? Today is Monday, so tomorrow will be Sunday. So is that possible? So after Monday, the next day after Monday is Tuesday, not Sunday. So in that case, that is impossible. So the answer will be impossible. Impossible. I hope that is clear. All right. The third question here we have, which probability scale describes uh, this statement? You will cause an accident if you drink alcohol and drive. So here, not all everybody that drinks alcohol that has an accident, but the chance of that person having an accident is very high. So in that case, it can be important. Unlikely is not unlikely, because the chance is more than 50%. So that means going to be what, likely. There's likelihood that the person that is that is a drunkard and driving will get an accident is likely. So we make use of likely, not certain. We are not certain. It's not everybody. So that's why we cannot pick certain. It's not even, so it's not 50-50, because we are not having two. So it's not unlikely, because the chance is slim. So we pick what, likely. That is why the answer is likely there. So for the next one, question number 4 now. So in a bag containing 5 red marbles and 3 blue marbles, what is the probability of uh, drawing a red marble? So the first thing is, the total number of marbles in this bag will be 5 plus 8. 5 plus 3, that gives us 8. So probability of red will then be the number of red, divided by the total. So that gives us 5 over 8, which is this option. Then the number 5 question is, two events A and B are mutually exclusive if the probability of event A is 0.4 and probability of event B is 0.3. What's the probability of either A or B happening? Now, so mutually exclusive events are events that do not occur at the same time. For example, when you toss a die, you cannot have 2 and 4 at the same time. Are you with me? So that means the occurrence of one will prevent the occurrence of the other one. So, and when you have it that way, so that is what we refer to as mutually exclusive event. That is, the occurrence of one will prevent the occurrence of the other. I have explained this in the lecture video very well. So in this case, and the probability of uh, the first event and the second event is addition, or the second, either A or B happening. That will give you the additions. And in that case, probability of A union B is same thing as probability of A or probability of B. So under mutually exclusive, we add them together. That's probability of A plus probability of what, B. So in this case, the probability of A here is 0.4, plus probability of B, which is 0.3. So in this case, this will give us a 0.7, and that is option B. Is that clear? So move to the next one, number 7. Number 6 rather. So if you roll a first 6-sided die, what's probability of rolling a number greater than 4? The first thing, if you analyze this, on a die we have, so it has been, we've been told that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the numbers that are greater than 4 are this, 5 and 6. That is 2 out of probability of greater than 4. Greater than 4 will then be, so probability of greater than 4 will be 2 out of the 6 number, which is what? 1/3. So that is this option. I hope I'm making sense. For number 7, if an event has a probability of 0.6, what's probability of the event not happening? So the probability of an event happening and not happening is 1. So that means we have a concept that says probability of success plus probability of failure. You can use anything is equal to 1. So probability of something will happen plus probability will not happen is 1. So probability that something will not happen, not happen. So not happen not will then be 1 minus probability of what happened. So we have been given that probability that it will happen is 0.6. That will be 1 minus 0.6, and the answer is equal to 0.4. So that is this option here. Then the next, which number 8, we have for number 8, so we have the probability of an event can range from, so when you are solving probability problem, so the answer ranges from 0 to what? 1 inclusive. So 0 there is impossible, while 1 is what? Certain that it will happen. So that we have 0 to 1 inclusive. All right, so that's the answer here. So that is the answer for that one. Then for the next one, 9, question number 9. If an event is certain to happen, so it's certain that it will happen, its probability is what? Is 1. So that's the scale. The probability of it happening is what? Is 1. So the last question we have there, if an event is impossible to happen, so its probability is what? Is impossible. So we are certain that this thing is impossible, just like the first question we did. So that means its probability is what? 0. So that is that for this video. That's correction. So we'll continue with our lecture video today. So just stay behind. Thank you. We'll meet in our next class. Bye bye for now.